The Tale of ARTUITE. Once upon a time, the hen and the wild cat were good friends. They used to live together peacefully. One day, they passed through under the raised roof of a certain house, where chicken was being cooked. As the house owners were having their meal, they dropped the bones of chicken through the hole of the floor. The wild cat picked up the bones and ate them. They were so tasty. From that time onward, the wild cat wanted to kill the hen and eat her. One night, the wild cat said to the hen, "In which coop will you be sleeping tonight?" The hen replied, "I shall sleep in the oval coop." The wild cat searched for the hen at the oval coop that night, but he could not find the hen because the latter slept in the round coop. The next night, the hen told the wild cat that she would sleep in the round coop. At midnight, the wild cat searched for the hen in the round coop, but the hen slept in the oval coop. On the following night, the hen said that she would sleep in the oval coop. The cat now realized the game of the hen and went straight to the round coop. She found her and ate her up. After some time, ARTUITE came to know the tragic death of his mother. He mastered all his courage and decided to avenge the death of his mother. He started to roll towards the house of the wild cat. On the way, a group of red ants met him and asked, "ARTUITE, where are you going?" ARTUITE replied, "To avenge the death of my mother and to destroy the fencing of the wild cat." The ants then said, "Wait, we are also following you." ARTUITE rolled on, followed by a group of ants. After some time, Chicken Drop stopped them and asked, "ARTUITE, where are you going?" "To avenge the death of my mother and to destroy the wild cat's fencing," replied ARTUITE. "Then I shall join you," said the Chicken Drop. ARTUITE went on rolling, followed by the ants and the Chicken Drop. Before they went too far, Kleinat stopped them and asked, "ARTUITE, where are you going?" "To avenge the death of my mother and to destroy the wild cat's fencing," replied ARTUITE. "I am also joining you," said Kleinat. Soon, ARTUITE and his party met Mankong, and the latter asked, "ARTUITE, where are you going?" "To avenge the death of my mother and to destroy the wild cat's fencing." Mankong said to them, "I am also joining you." Lastly, a swarm of bees also followed ARTUITE and his party. Now, ARTUITE commanded a very powerful band of warriors and felt quite confident. When they reached the house of the wild cat, the cat had gone out to look for food. They lost no time to take their positions. ARTUITE was a good strategist. Each of them took positions at strategic places. ARTUITE hid himself inside the ash in the hearth, the ants at the mouth of bamboo tube, the Chicken Drop at the handle of the broom, Kleinat on the wall, Mankong at the exit of the door, and the swarm of bees under the blanket on the bed. Soon, the wild cat returned home, weary and tired. As he was so hungry, he made himself to prepare an evening meal. The moment he scratched the ash in the hearth to make fire, ARTUITE exploded all of a sudden and splashed all over the wild cat's face. Knowing not what to do, the cat went to get for a wash. Just then, a group of red ants at the mouth of the bamboo tube began to attack him. In order to get rid of the ants, he took the broom on the floor, and his fingers were stained with the Chicken Drop. To remove the smelly Chicken Drop, he wiped his hand on the bamboo wall, and Kleinat on the wall cut his fingers. Out of despair, he went up to the bed to hide himself under the blanket. Then the bees under the blanket began to sting him all over his body. The cat felt so helpless. He thought it would be safe if he could run out of the house. As he was trying to go out at the exit of the door, he was immediately trapped under Mankong and died. In this way, the death of the hen was at last avenged. The innocent, when provoked, are no less. Do not provoke the innocent, goes the Mar proverb.